We stop students in brotherhood of CMS school read. Thy mercy, Lord, to make us good and truly worship Thee, to stand upright till life's long fight, with Christ our strength and right, to kindness quick, to anger slow, and mutual love to show. Let CMS school be honored, wherever offspring are seen. This Gotham school has taught the world from 1870 to CMS school glory be, wherever offspring are met. Hip hip hurrah to CMS, this star shall never set.
Welcome to CMS College Higher Secondary School, Kottayam, justly claimed to the cradle of English education in Kerala. Founded in 1817 by the great visionary Benjamin Bailey, the school passed many milestones in history, and celebrating its bicentenary, it took its origin as part of meaningful mission to bring the education to people in and around Kottayam.
In these decades, we are blessed with the vision and mission of the great missionary with his divine expectation. Our principal, Sri Monsen G. Matthews, and our headmaster, Sri Binoy P. Epen, have rendered their contribution in managing all the activities we have done in our school. We all work together for the mission. Here are some unique programs established our school for the empowerment of students for the sustainable development. As part of this, our Nature Club started a program, Green School, Green Home. This program is inaugurated by Dr. G. Prasad, the Chief Forest Conservator, Kottayam. A well maintained natural forest conserved around the school. New saplings of around 25 fruit plants are planted here, and well organized vegetable garden too. Here we are cultivating pea, chili, tapioca, plantain, ivy gourd, and cool season vegetables like cabbage and cauliflower. During this pandemic time also, the staff of our school managed it very well. At that time, our students maintained their home garden with the vegetables and other farming like poultry, compost, etc. Let's we move on to their ideas and the comments about their experiences.
Hi everyone, I am Parvati Menon. I am studying in Standard 6. As a part of our Nature Club project, my green school, Green Home. Here I am cultivating vegetables like pea, brinjal, ivy gourd, banana, etc. On this pandemic period, we are very much interested to do this because it gives more energy and pleasure to our mind and body.
Hi, I am Josel Joy. I am studying in 6th standard. In our school, this project, My Green School, Green Home. I am cultivating vegetables like pea, brinjal, banana, etc. We are very happy to do this because it gives more pleasure. In our home, use these organic vegetables. Thank you.
Hi everyone, It's me, Aaron Jovinath, studying 7th standard. See this, my pea cultivation? I'm very happy to be here with my plant. I started this as part of our project My Green School, Green Home. Here I am cultivating pea, banana, etc. Thank you.
Hi, I am Janaki Reddy, studying in Standard 7. See this my vegetable garden using waste material. Here I am using plastic carry bags and other waste material as planters. We are doing this as part of our project, My Green School, Green Home. We are very happy to do this because it gives more pleasure. Me and my sister together doing this.
Conservation of nature and her resources have always found a pivotal spot in the academic lives of our students. It's a fact that our pupils are mostly oriented towards this end through works within the campus, but we have never shied away from stepping outside our walls whenever a cause demanded. Recently, a few of the senior students brought it to our attention that the local government authorities are taking measures to cut down 34 shade-giving trees by the side of Shastri Road in the name of road widening. The students wanted to know how this could be averted and what role they could play in it. After proper inquiry, the students joined hands with the Madhufumi seed and brought the issue to the forefront. This timely move had forced the Kottayam MLA Sri Thiruvanchur Radhakrishnan to call off the plan to cut the trees and to continue with the road widening with alternative plan. This was not the only time that our students came into limelight. The Seed Club members Advait and Abhiga had put mask on trees signifying the need of safety for nature during these times. This move too was well appreciated by media and public. Our school had bagged last year's Best Harda Vidyalaya Award from Madhufumi Seed and the Harda Kerlam Award for maintaining Pachaturu. As with the activities within the campus, the students can opt one of many initiatives associated with the nature like Birdwatching Club, Madhufumi Seed Club, Forestry Club or the Harda Kerala Mission projects. The biodiversity and the butterfly parks around the campus are designed to bind the students with the nature. The Tumbur Muri Biodegradable Waste Management Unit in our campus converts our biodegradable waste to manures. We also make it practice to donate our hardly earned vegetable yields from the campus to organizations like Navajeevan Trust, the Rehabilitation Center for Mentally Upset People. These small acts of kindness may help nurture seeds of humanness in these young minds. Generations must go. CMS, the star shall never set. Thank you.